Today's story is the lazy Brahmin. So in a village there used to live a family. So the Brahmin who is living in that family was they were a middle class. There is a middle class family. So the Brahmin was very lazy for doing anything. So daily he used to wake up and he'll do his bath, and again he'll come to the home. He'll have his dinner, lunch, or breakfast, and later after eating that he used to sleep. So every work will be done by his wife only. So he's a farmer. So he also have a farm. So he should do work in that farm. So but he won't do. He used to sleep. So to escape from that work, he used to sleep, and his wife used to do all the work in home. Even a small work also is done by his wife. So he was very lazy. So one day he was sleeping. So he has two children, one boy and one girl. So they were very small and they were playing. So they were making a lot of noise. So he slept. The Brahmin slept. So they were making a lot of noise. Then he woke up. For that sound, he woke up and he saw. So they were playing. So he saw, and he also was playing with those children. So his wife went to the farm to collect the vegetables. So it's the last day. So if she do not take, the crop will be wasted. So she'll go to the farm, and she was returning back to the home. So then she saw one old man. So means he have some powers inside. So she saw him, and she said that come to my home. We will give you some food to eat, and then you can leave. So the old man went to their home, and he had his lunch. So they did some service to him, and the service was very good. He felt very happy for that. And the old man said that when the old man came, the Brahmin also was waken up. So he also did some work in home, and the old man was impressed by by the service, and he asked, if you have any wish, say to me, I'll fulfill your wish. So the Brahmin said that, so I need a magical magical man who can complete my work within few minutes. So the old man thought for some time, and he asked again. So he said again that you should give work continuously. You should not allow, means he will not sit aside. So you should continuously give him some work. So the Brahmin will say okay, and later after the old man left from there, that magical man came there. So he was like a genie. So he saw that, and he felt very scary. He was in a big size. So the Brahmin felt very scary. So he came and he said that your means if you give me some work, I'll do my work. So he'll say some work. So he'll return in 2 minutes. So again he'll say one work. Again he'll return in 2 minutes. So he is coming back very quickly. Even it is a big work, he is completing it in few minutes. So he gave him one work. So he set him to plant the field. So it was a very big field. So he said to do that, and he will leave from there. This genie will go to do that work. So he'll feel that it's a very big thing. So he'll take some time to do work. So till then I'll have my lunch. So he'll go, and he's having his lunch with his family. Then the genie came again back. So he said that if you do not give me any work, I'll eat you. So the Brahmin was very scared, and he gave him one work. He gave him one work that play with my head. So he was playing with his head, means he was beating on his head. So So it was very painful to the Brahmin, and he was shouting that, please anyone help me. So Brahmin's wife said that, I'll help you if you give me one promise. So the Brahmin will ask what is that promise means. His wife will say that, from today you should do your work means you should do your regular work. You should not be so lazy. So he'll give a promise that he'll do his work from that day. So the wife will say to the genie that to straighten the dog's tail. So forever the dog's tail will be cross only, so it cannot become straight. So from then the Brahmin was doing his work, and he was not so lazy. So this is today's story. Thank you.